Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. In this video tutorial, I will be making you familiar with user interface of Microsoft Excel. So let's see one by one each. Here it is File menu. File menu can be used to open document, create new document and save your existing document. You can also get information about files using this info button, and there are many other things like sharing, printing and getting help from Microsoft server. So this is file menu. Now this home menu can be used for many different purposes. For example, you can cut and paste your data, you can format your fonts, you can align your content, you can perform number related operations and formatting of various numbers. You can create table and survey as well from here, cell related operation and editing related operations. To insert particular thing, there is a one insert menu here. You can insert survey into your workbook, you can insert function into your workbook, you can insert a table, you can insert add-ins. We'll be seeing all these options in details. What is the purpose of particular option and how you can use it. Data is mostly related to data calculations. You can perform various calculations using this data operation. You can sort your data in ascending or descending order as well. Review is the one kind of reviewing operation. Like you can add comments, see all your comments, edit your comment and delete your comment if there is any. And last one is view. Using view you can go into two modes of Microsoft Excel online. One is editing view and second one is reading view. We'll be seeing this reading and editing view in detail in further lessons. These are some cells. This is called cell. In this cell you can write anything. You can put any data and after that you can perform various operations into these cells. This is called row and this is called columns. Row is always numbered and column is always have alphabetic characters. In any workbook you can add multiple amount of sheet. So here is my sheet 1. You can also add new sheet by this plus button. If you want to give feedback, you can also give feedback by clicking onto this link, Help Improve Office. You can customize your status bar with using this option. What you want to see on your status bar, you can customize from this option. So this is interface of Microsoft Excel 2016 online version. We'll be learning about all these options which we have seen in this lesson in more and more detail. Thank you very much.